Imagine opening your laptop, trying to create one simple design, and suddenly spending an hour fighting with the editor. Now imagine a tool that lets you create an entire brand kit, a promo video, and a polished social post in minutes. Today we put Canva and Adobe Express through the toughest 100+ design test to finally answer one question. Which tool actually makes designing easier in 2025, and which one is secretly slowing you down? We tested social posts, posters, presentations, thumbnails, product ads, and even full brand kits across both platforms. Every mistake, every glitch, every time the editor froze or lagged, everything counted, and what we discovered will surprise a lot of you. We start with the first thing everyone notices: templates. Canva hits you with an enormous collection. You search for anything fitness, restaurant, travel, school event, and you instantly see dozens of ideas you can turn into your own. Adobe Express goes for the opposite approach. Fewer options, but the designs feel sharper, cleaner, and more studio level. If you prefer quantity, Canva gives you more. If you prefer polished layouts, Express edges ahead. Next is speed. This matters because slow design tools ruin creativity. Canva loads fast most of the time, but after testing dozens of projects back to back, we started noticing small delays, especially when lots of elements were on screen. Adobe Express has moments of smoothness, but also moments when it feels heavier. If your device is older, Canva usually feels lighter. On newer systems, Adobe Express runs almost equally well. Then we checked the real reason many people upgrade the AI tools. Canva's magic features are built for creators who want quick outputs. Magic Write helps you generate captions and ad copy. Magic Resize adjusts designs for any platform without rebuilding everything. Background removal works in seconds. Adobe Express uses Firefly, which is one of the strongest AI engines for images and text effects. If you want more realistic images or advanced visual edits, Firefly gives you better control. For fast content creation, Canva wins. For artistic creativity, Express is stronger. Now for one of the most confusing topics: pricing. Canva's free plan gives you a lot. You can make full videos, use thousands of templates, and export in high quality. Adobe Express also has a free plan, but some assets come with restrictions and certain premium images can require upgrades. On paid plans, Adobe Express is slightly cheaper for individuals. Canva Pro costs more but gives you a wider set of features and bigger asset libraries. If you design every day, Canva Pro feels worth the investment. If you only need polished designs occasionally, Express Premium might be enough. The experience of creating a full project tells the real story. When we made a complete brand kit from scratch, Canva made it simple. You set your colors, add your logo, pick fonts, and everything in your templates updates automatically. Adobe Express also supports brand kits, but it feels more professional and a little more advanced. It is perfect for teams that already use Photoshop or Illustrator, but for beginners who just want a clean workflow, Canva saves more time. Exporting is where both tools get it right. You can export as images, PDFs, or videos. The difference is that Canva makes scheduling social posts much easier because it supports more platforms directly. Adobe Express connects well with Creative Cloud workflows, which is great for people editing images or videos in other Adobe apps. So which one actually makes design easier? After testing over 100 real projects, Canva still gives the easiest experience for beginners, students, marketers, and content creators who want speed and simplicity. Adobe Express wins if you already use the Adobe ecosystem or want premium style in every design. Neither tool is bad, they are just built for different styles of creators. If you want me to compare any other content apps or want a full workflow guide for your use case, comment below. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like and subscribe because your support helps me make more honest test-based reviews that actually save you time and money.